Hey there! Welcome back to Dan the Cleaning Man channel, where we help you clean smarter, not harder. If you're tired of wasting time on cleaning tips that just don't work, you've come to the right place. Today, we're tackling the most common cleaning myths that could be making your life harder. And your home, well, not as clean as you think. Stick around, because we're about to expose some of the biggest cleaning misconceptions and show you the right way to get that sparkle you're looking for. All right, let's jump right in and debunk some cleaning myths. Now, don't get me wrong, vinegar is great, but there's this huge myth out there that vinegar is a cure-all cleaner. People are using it for everything, but here's the truth. Vinegar can actually damage some surfaces. For example, it can dull your granite countertops over time and eat away at the finish on hardwood floors. Yikes, right? While it's great for windows and some fabrics, it's definitely not your all-purpose superhero. So remember, pick and choose where you use it. Vinegar isn't the answer to all your cleaning prayers. Okay, bleach fans, let's talk. Bleach is powerful, no doubt, but people often assume bleach cleans everything. Here's the truth, it doesn't. Bleach is a disinfectant, not a cleaner. It kills germs, sure, but it doesn't actually remove dirt and grime. If you're using bleach to clean a dirty surface, you're just sanitizing the dirt. Gross, right? What you need is a good cleaner first, something to lift and remove the grime, then disinfect with bleach if necessary. Clean first, disinfect later. Remember that! The old more is better myth. People think the more soap or detergent they use, the cleaner their surfaces or clothes will be. But in reality, overloading on soap can make your cleaning job harder. Too much soap leaves a residue, which attracts more dirt, making your surfaces feel sticky. Ever notice your floors getting dirtier faster after you mop? It could be because you're using too much soap. The trick is using the right amount of soap, not drowning your surfaces in it. Less really is more in this case. All right, let's put the feather duster myth to rest. You might love the idea of a duster magically swiping away all the dust in one go. But feather dusters don't actually get rid of dust. They just spread it around. Yep, you're just moving dust from one place to another. What you need is a microfiber cloth. It traps dust instead of pushing it around. Bonus, it's reusable and much more eco-friendly than tossing out disposable dusters. Raise your hand if you've heard that cleaning windows with newspaper is the best trick ever. Well, let's squash that myth right now. First off, modern newspapers are printed with different inks than they used to be, which can leave streaks or even smudges on your windows. Plus, they can disintegrate and make a mess. Instead, grab a microfiber cloth or squeegee for a streak-free shine. Leave the newspapers for reading, not cleaning. This one's tricky because it sounds logical, right? Hot water melts away grime, so it must be the ultimate cleaner. But the truth is, using hot water on certain stains, like blood or proteins, can actually set the stain into the fabric. Cold water is often better for these types of stains because it helps lift the mess without locking it in. So, next time you've got a tricky stain, don't just crank up the heat. Think about what you're cleaning first. This myth probably came from people trying to avoid vacuuming at all costs. But here's the real deal. Vacuuming isn't bad for your carpets. In fact, regular vacuuming is one of the best things you can do for them. Dirt and debris actually wear down carpet fibers over time, so vacuuming helps extend your carpet's life. The key is to make sure your vacuum is in good condition and that you're not using it too aggressively. A weekly vacuum session will keep your carpets cleaner, fresher, and lasting longer. Who hasn't heard this one? Toothpaste is often touted as a magic cleaner for everything from sneakers to silverware. But let's be real, it's called toothpaste for a reason. Toothpaste is slightly abrasive, which is why it works well for polishing certain metals or cleaning small areas like scuffed shoes. But using it on delicate surfaces like your car or jewelry can cause more harm than good. Stick to using toothpaste for its intended purpose and grab a proper cleaner for everything else. This one might hurt some feelings. People love the idea of mixing baking soda and vinegar for an all-in-one cleaning hack. But when you mix them, they neutralize each other. The fizz is fun, sure, but you're not getting the full cleaning power of either ingredient. Baking soda works well as a mild abrasive, and vinegar is a great acid-based cleaner. Just don't combine them if you want the best results. Use them separately for the tasks they're best suited for. We've all been guilty of this one. Spraying air fresheners and pretending the room is magically clean. But air fresheners don't clean the air. They just mask odors. In fact, They can even introduce chemicals into your home that you don't want to breathe in long term. To actually clean the air, try using an air purifier or simply open the windows for some fresh air circulation. Your nose and lungs will thank you. And there you have it, folks! Those are some of the biggest cleaning myths that you need to stop believing right now. Hopefully, we've saved you from wasting more time, effort, and maybe even some money on tips that just don't work. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to Dan the Cleaning Man, and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on more cleaning tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments below which cleaning myth surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and remember, clean smarter, not harder. See you in the next video.